Embark on a whimsical journey through these 11 enchanting playhouses. Discover the creativity behind each design and find inspiration for your own backyard wonderland. Hi, I'm Kim, your garden travel guide. We are at Reiman Gardens in Ames, Iowa. It was recently named one of the best gardens to travel for by the Garden Travel Association. And this summer it's even more enchanting with their incredible Playhouse exhibit. The Moss Garden is a whimsical retreat inspired by the love of growing things. Inside, charming floral wallpaper and a skirted potting table invite young horticulturalists to explore their green thumbs. The living moss roof is full of microscopic wonders and offers a glimpse into the intricate world of botany. The ingenious use of cut logs transformed into hanging plant holders decorated the outer walls. Crafted from reclaimed wood and durable polycarbonate, this playhouse is a modern marvel of repurposed materials. For children, it's a translucent playground. For adults, it offers a serene retreat perfect for curling up with a book. The cube's clear walls provide a unique sensory experience, immersing occupants in the natural world while remaining sheltered from the elements. This serene playhouse invites children to step into the pages of a book. Its unique design features a metal roof edged with canvas, evoking the image of an open book lying face down. Natural light filters through the cutouts on the roof, illuminating the interior and creating a cozy atmosphere. The Hobbit House is a whimsical refuge reminiscent of the Hobbit's abode. Its rounded door is like a portal to another world, while thoughtfully placed windows accommodate children of different heights. The playhouse features a living sedum roof that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The Burrow was inspired by the enchanting worlds of Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings. It was crafted from a harmonious blend of recycled and upcycled materials. Its organic curves defy conventional construction methods, creating a magical space that invites young minds to envision and create their own magical worlds. Designed with accessibility in mind, the Childhood Reflections Playhouse features a gentle ramp inviting visitors of all abilities to explore. Blurring the lines between indoors and out, the interior is painted in calming greens, echoing the surrounding foliage. Frame-dried florals further connect the playhouse to the natural environment. The playhouse is complemented by a fantastical fruit tree. Paper House is an octagonal marvel constructed from wood and wrapped in lumber paper, a material typically used to shield lumber from the elements. The creator's vision was to transform and repurpose the lumber paper into a colorful and weather-resistant exterior. This innovative approach reduces waste and creates a vibrant and playful space for children. From a distance, the Stargazer Playhouse appears as a kaleidoscope with light filtering through the colorful, translucent surfaces. However, there's much more to it. The design is rooted in the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical formula reflected in countless natural patterns. Thus, the playhouse is a tangible representation of nature's golden ratio, inviting children to explore the wonders of mathematics and science. Resembling a classic tent perched on a raised wooden platform, the Woodland Tent invites children to embark on an imaginary camping adventure. Scattered floor pads encourage lounging, storytelling, or even a quick nap. The Woodland Tent offers a simple yet enchanting escape nestled in the naturalistic garden. The Prairie School house transports children back to a simpler time. This miniature replica of a classic one-room schoolhouse pays homage to the city's first schoolhouse built in 1862. Located down a charming path in the children's garden, the Vine House is a living structure. Comprised of PVC pipe, it is transformed into a secret passageway as pole beans climb and intertwine. These versatile vines are known for their climbing prowess and continuous harvest. As the beans mature, they'll provide a bounty of nutritious pods, encouraging children to explore the wonders of nature and the joy of homegrown produce. And there you have it, the 11 incredible playhouses at Reiman Gardens. To see more of the Reiman Botanical Garden, click on the next video. And please like and subscribe for more garden goodness. I hope to see you in the next garden.